Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the batch ID and why you must cancel: wrong data, duplicate submission, or failed validations. Once done, log into the Icai portal with your credentials and ensure you can access the specific batch. Make sure your DSC or OTP method is ready so you won't stall later. Download the batch file and any error logs. This early check prevents wasted steps and gives you the exact target for cancellation, rather than guessing which record needs removal. You now proceed to the cancellation flow. Open the batch details page and select Cancel or Withdraw. When prompted, enter a concise reason, incorrect entries, duplicate, or technical failure, and attach the corrected batch if the portal allows immediate replacement. Next, authenticate using DSC or OTP to validate the cancellation. This is critical because it finalizes permission on Icai records. After submission, note the reference number and expected processing time so you can track status and avoid resubmitting prematurely. You finish by confirming the cancellation status and downloading the acknowledgement PDF for your records. Store it with the original batch. If cancellation succeeded, immediately re-upload the corrected batch or schedule a new submission slot. If cancellation failed or is pending too long, gather the error messages, timestamps, and reference number, then contact Icai support with those details. One key troubleshooting tip: if the portal shows downtime, wait and retry after 15 minutes rather than repeating attempts that create duplicates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.